Good evening, sir. This is Kiran Makhija here, trying to give you a testimony of my liver flush and the enema bowel movement and vagina bowel movement that I have been doing. I would like to say that I have done the liver flush twice, which has been very helpful. This is the Delmont virgin oil which I used for liver flush, and these are the hibiscus flowers. If you see, you can just remove the green part of it, and early morning any time between 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. first day you can have this, chew these 7 flowers of this, chew them off, and avoid eating anything. Have something very light juice or so, and around 2 p.m. you keep you dissolve 4 sachets of Epsom salt, which is magnesium sulfate, and in 800 ml water, and keep it in a jar and fridge. Around 6 p.m. this is what I did, that's why I'm sharing it. Around 6 p.m. I drank the first dose of the Epsom salt and water with just 200 ml, and then at 8 p.m. again on the same day I repeated the process. That was the second dose that I had. And at 9:45 p.m. on the same day I took 175 ml of the virgin extra oil which I have, which can be of Borges or it can be of any company. I bought for Delmont. Just I wanted to ensure that you buy a virgin extra oil and not an ordinary extra oil which you get. Virgin extra oil is more effective. And I added 175 ml of the orange juice. We can take sweet lime also, and mix it in a mixer or a whipper, and for 10 seconds, minimum 10 seconds, because this binding is very necessary, as it does not mix easily because of the oil. And at 10 p.m. sharp I drank this and went down lying on my right side for 30 minutes, and after 35 minutes I got up and I had to go to the ladies room to flush myself out. But it was not very painful, or it was not I felt that movement had not gone very clear. But then after that I slept off, and the next day at 6 a.m. again I had the third dose of the Epsom salt and water, right? No, that was the fourth dose of Epsom salt and water. And at 8 a.m. again I took the 75 ml of virgin extra oil and 175 ml of the orange juice. That was real orange juice which I took. I could not get fresh juice, and I whipped it in the mixer and I had that. And after that I had a severe diarrhea attack where I felt all the green and yellow stones that had come in my bowel movement, and I felt very nice. And after that I slept for some time on the right side itself. And at 10 a.m. again I had the final dose of the Epsom salt and the water. That was the fourth installment of the fourth sachet, and I was completely fine. In between I had to go from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Twice or thrice to clean my system. And at 11 a.m. I had little light juice, very light juice of real orange juice only I had, and I stayed that day full day on the juice itself. We can start after 1 hour, after 11 a.m. you can start having very light food like oats or upma if you like, but I refrained from it and I stayed on juices, and I had done my liver cleansing very effectively. That was a real blessing in disguise for my fatty liver. I have done this twice, once in December 2019 and once now in February 2020. I would also like to share my experience for the bowel movement enema and bowel vagina series that I have been using. You can just take up a cup of mug, and all you have to do is, you have a small tip. If you go to see, this is the vagina bowel movement that you have. Okay, you just have a tip on this. You can just open it, put it down, and pull up for the water to fill in, and attach this small piece which has been given extra for vagina, right? You can apply coconut oil. Any kind of coconut oil can be applied. Any kind of coconut oil. Parachute oil, just on your finger of your tip you take and you apply it here. And very lightly you just insert it on your vagina tip, and all you have to do is very lightly just pressurize it. That's it. Just one time. I do this just once in 15 days now. Initially I used to do it very often. Similar basis, you have your bowel movement. Bowel enema movement. Same way, Just insert in a mug, pull it up, that's it. Sorry. And here also they have given us a small tip, so it doesn't hurt. You can just fix it. Similar basis, oil that at the tip. You can oil your anus part also, and just push it and it goes in. It's very easy. Initially, first time it is a little tough, but after that it becomes very comfortable once you start using. This is the mouth oral thing. Similar applies to this also. Just push it in, and all you have to do is keep your lip tight and just press it off, and your entire teeth gets cleaned on one side. You can do it on either side, the left side or right side, whatever you are comfortable with. And this has been a real blessing in disguise. PVH has taught me this, and it has helped me a lot in reduction of my weight and my fatty liver, and also clearing all my bacterial infection in my body. Thank you, thank you, thank you.